During the process of implant dentistry, some patients just have a deficiency in their bone amount, and they may have to have some type of augmentation. It'd be some type of bone grafting. Most bone grafts done today are much easier than we used to do back in the day when we had to actually harvest bone from the patient. Those days are long gone. Nowadays, with recombinant engineered techniques, and we can grow bone back using much simpler techniques and much more predictable techniques, it makes the surgery a lot easier for the patient to undergo.
If anybody's having a tooth extracted, would be a great candidate for a bone graft. And then people who have had teeth out and over a long period of time, there's nothing left to put implants in, there's ways of reconstructing that.
On the day of surgery for bone grafting procedures, we're going to provide the anesthesia we've talked to the patient about at the pre-consultation appointment. That may just be local anesthesia. It could be going to sleep with general anesthesia. Depending on what level of anesthesia we're providing, it may just be one assistant welcoming you to the room. You'll see our normal setup. The doctor will introduce himself, and we'll explain the procedure again as we're doing it. And just to touch base with you, make sure we all know what we're here for and what we're doing for you. We'll go over your health history again. We'll make sure you've taken your medications. We may have had medication we wanted you to take ahead of time, and sometimes personally you have to take certain medications that you're on typically.
Our practice has been here for 30 years. We believe that we are quality practice. We care about our patients. We treat them like we would want to be treated here. And we go out of our way to help the patients understand what's involved so that they can have an informed idea of what's going to be happening for a treatment plan. And just the personalities of our staff in our office. This is a great office. They come here, they always report how well they like our staff. We like to be kind and generous. We treat people with dignity and the respect that they deserve.